Good evening. I have a happy mail from Alexandra L. I just opened it up and this is what I see in this box. So I have the card. So pretty. Very pretty. So she has some that she bought and some handmade for me. Thank you, Alexandra. This was very big surprise today. I went to work and there was a box waiting for me there at my desk. So it was a surprise. So it made my Monday. So let me see this. She decorated it so pretty. Oh, she even has, I don't know if you can see, little hearts. It is so pretty. There's another one right there. That is so pretty. And there is a stamp. I've never seen that company. That's cute little splatters. That's very pretty. Some washi tape. And I think it says something. I'm trying to open it to see what it says. Do what you love. Do what you love. That's pretty. I also have a package that I'm putting things aside for her. So it's like me and her have a link between both of us. Gold alphabet letters. There's 64 letters in here. Oh, that's cute. So you can make a banner and then you could put these alphas in them. So they're 64 and they're 2 by 3 inches. That's nice. And I wanted to make a banner for my new craft room. So that comes in handy. Oh, these are pretty. These are flowers. Yep. Die cuts. Oh, that's pretty. For you. You can make cards out of these. That's pretty. They look like, what's that lady's name? She does cards a lot. I forgot her name. It looks like her type of style. Oh, another heart. I love how she always decorates the box. I need to start doing that too. Is this one of those? Oh, it is one of those that you put the markers inside and it collapses inside. That's so cute. Then you go like this and you open it up for your markers. That is so cute. I love the colors. Very nice. Thank you. I was thinking of buying one and now I don't have to buy it. She gave it to me. That's so nice. Oh, my very first clip. Look how pretty. Oh, This is gorgeous. It says dream, and then it says chase your dreams wherever they may lead. Very pretty. She has some enamel dots and some little pearls there, some beads. Sticker there. And it's dimensional. That's pretty. I'm going to put it somewhere on my desk. Very nice. Some little gemmies, flowers, all different colors. That's cute. Look how pretty. Some wood veneers. And it's some arrows in there. A little feather. 2 arrows and some bigger feathers. Very pretty. And these are different little resin pieces in here. Let me open it up. There's a bow. Oh, you could put this, if there's a hole, you could put it in your charms. And a little candy, little apple, some flowers, a little bird, a heart, a little mushroom, and 4 types of bows. That's so pretty. I never buy resin like this. So that's pretty embellishment. Oh, there's even an umbrella for April showers. It looks like more hearts right there. And some seed beads. Very pretty. I love that color. Some more washi tape. This one says awesome. And this one is a pretty gold foil pink. Another heart. And some gold foil and peach. And another washi. And this one is like flowers. I can't wait for summer. It's already getting hot over here. Today was 60 something, but it was still windy. Oh, she made me another tag. So pretty. Oh, and it's dimensional. The birds are dimensional. It looks like Tim Holtz paper. So pretty. I have the other tag hanging in my little, and some flowers. I wonder if she made these. Or she bought them. They're so pretty. They look very delicate. Let me open one up and show you. Look how pretty. With the little pearl in the middle. And there's a die from Momenta. There's 2 strips from Sizzix. Yep, from Momenta. That's pretty. Then I do save this and I reuse it. Oh, my first little book. Live Life in Full Bloom. She has two in wood veneer hearts. And it looks like she sewed the banner there. So pretty. And she made me a charm here. Oh, that's pretty. And a little bow. Live simply, dream big, be grateful, give love, laugh lots. That is so pretty. I am grateful. Hello, and there's stickers in here. Oh, there's a lot of stickers in here. That is so pretty. The first page has a tag. Sending you lots of love. Oh, thank you. Delight. Very pretty. I gotta learn how to make this to send her one back. And the bicycle with little flowers and a heart. And I love the little ribbon here and here. A tag. Love you. Let your dreams blossom. I wonder if this is Maggie Holmes paper. Cardstock. I'm loving life. She has a chipboard and some hearts there. And she has, oh, this beautiful little bow on the thing. She gave me an idea. I have so many of them and I didn't know what to use them for. And another ribbon and chipboard. Oh, and she attached a little bow with a diamond and some lace and two more hearts there. Some more tags just for you. And thinking of you. I am amazing. Oh, I love that. The typewriter with the heart and some flowers. Oh, that's cute. She used one of my flowers that I sent her. A chipboard bird. I am dreaming big. And another tag. Happy blooming birthday. And here more chipboard, the flowers, a heart, and some cards. Oh, that's cute. A little card in the back. And be happy. It's like little postcards. Sending love and hugs. And a postcard. And the last postcard. And more stickers. I wonder if this is Simple Stories paper. I think it's Simple Stories. And that's the back. So I'm going to stop it here and I'll show you the rest.